Welcome back to my channel, Ageless Beauty Nation, and today we are doing a 5-minute no-bake vegan pizza, and here are the ingredients. So this is exactly what I'm gonna show you what I'm using today. This is the gluten-free all-purpose vegan flour. We have the tomato sauce with Italian herbs. We have our mushrooms I'm gonna add. We're gonna also chop up some peppers. I'm gonna add some fresh spinach. We're going to use the coconut milk yogurt alternative for the dough. And then we're also going to use cheeses. Now this one is the Veggie Mozzarella vegan cheese slices. It's a alternative. And then the cheddar I'm going to add because I like cheese, unfortunately, but we're going to go vegan. So we're going to use the one by Daiya for cheddar. And this is what we have. So let's get started. So we're going to add in the 1 cup of the vegan all-purpose flour, and it looks just like every other day flour, but this is the vegan one. So we're going to now add the yogurt alternative by So Delicious, and we're going to mix these two together, and this is what the actual case looked like. So I do apologize. I'm trying to film with one hand, as I said in one of my other cooking videos, and trying to stir with the other. So if you see my bowl shifting from left to right, that's what's going on. But I'm going to continue to mix and put the ingredients together to create a dough. So here's the finished mixing of the flour and the yogurt. And I put it in a dough consistency. As you can see, it's nice and firm, and it's ready for us to prepare and to turn into a pizza crust. Okay, so originally I was going to do 2 separate pizza, a no-bake option and a baked option for this video, but unfortunately I decided to just go with the no-bake option. So that's why originally I split it in half, but I'm just going to use the entire, side to make the one option. I might do another video to do the bake option, but we're going to just do the no bake option on this video. So I'm going to add a little bit of the vegan flour and roll it out so it won't stick. I've chopped up my peppers. I got my spinach and my mushrooms ready to be added as my toppings. Now you're in the skillet, because we're going to use the skillet for a no-bake option. You can use vegetable oil or olive oil. The choice is yours. And then this is what the crust looked like rolled out. I'm going to shape it up a little bit better. So I'm just adding a little bit oil. I think I might have added a little bit too much. You don't need that much, especially for it to come up with a nice crust. I've added the crust into the skillet, and see what I'm saying? Just a little bit too much. I apologize to you guys. So you probably need just a couple tablespoons. But you're going to continue to let the crust get into a crisp consistency, and I'll show you in the next slide. And if you notice, you want to cook on that one side to have a golden crust. Now we've flipped it over. And as you can see, it's nice and golden brown. I like mine crispy. I've always liked a thin, crispy crust on my pizza. So now we're going to add the tomato sauce that has the Italian herbs in it. That sauce smells so good. I mean, I like anything that's well seasoned, but it has those herb type flavors to it. But I'm just going to put the sauce on. And then we're going to spread it all over the crust to make sure we get, you can add as much or as little as you like to your taste. So now I'm going to add the chopped garlic. I like the garlic oiled. As you see, I'm going to spread a little bit of that on there. And then I'm also going to put some of the minced garlic pieces on there to give that real garlicky taste. Oh, it smells so good right now. I love the smell of garlic. So I've added my veggies on the toppings, as my toppings, I should say. And then also we've added the cheese by Daiya and Veggie, the vegan cheeses. And we're going to actually I wanted to show you what it looked like, but it has to be covered for about 2 or 3 minutes so we can melt the cheeses. And that's on low heating. Okay, so we finally got the cheeses nice and melted. The crust is golden and crispy. The veggies are cooked. The cheeses are melted. It looks really, really good. It smells really, really good. If you want to put some oregano, you can sprinkle some oregano on there, or a little bit of sea salt or pepper, whatever your likes are. Even red pepper, if you want to put red pepper on your pizza. That's an option too. So I'm gonna cut this baby open and cut us a slice, and we're gonna see what the finished product look like. And here we go. This is our final product. The cheese melted really well. I was concerned about the vegan cheeses, whether they were going to melt like regular dairy cheese, but it did really well. It smells good. The crust is crispy, golden brown. And that's it. 5-minute vegan pizza. So like, comment, and subscribe. We will see you next time.